As a ministry, Mr. Speaker, we are committed to addressing and resolving the matter at hand through a deliberative and consultative approach that safeguards the interests of innocent third parties, like the students who have already graduated, while also ensuring compliance with the law and promoting credibility of our education system.
I am sure that there are some students from Kenya Institute of Management who underwent interviews at the Public Service Commission, our public employer, and were given jobs. What does that say about our public institutions and the salaries that they may have earned?
Wazazi wameuza mashamba yao, wazazi wameuza mali zao kwa sababu kufundisha watoto wao. Ndio sababu ya uzembe wa wizara. Mombasa Aviation walisoma wanafunzi zaidi ya miaka 10, halafu wakaja wakatangaza siku moja kwamba si halali.
With respect to KIM itself and the certificates that the students got from 2018 and the period within which it was operating under legal order, those certificates are valid. There is no person qualified under KIM with a certificate or employed by public service through the certification of KIM is disenfranchised.